Boom! Yay! Good morning all! We're going to school! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang daddy ay naka-robe pa, oh. Parang si, King Kong! Ayan, kasi hindi naman yan siya papasok. Sasakyan lang yan siya, kaya okay lang. Afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So it is, what day is it today? It is Wednesday, so happy hump day everyone. I am now on my lunch break and Daddy and I maglalakad-lakad lang kami guys, like the usual thing that we do pag hindi masama yung pakiramdam namin. And it is a bit cold today, although the sun is up, kaya okay lang. Is it dark? Nandito kasi kami sa Kakuyan. So it's just me and Mike today, mga friends. Kasi yung baby girl natin ay nasa childcare. And especially ngayon, maganda yung araw. It's perfect opportunity na maglakad-lakad. Kasi tingnan nyo sa kabila, oh. Tingnan nyo nga, oh. Si Lola, oh. Nagkuog-kuog na ganit na si Lola. But she's still going for a walk. Kami pa kaya. So we have big muscles. You have big muscles, Daddy? Kaya yun. Kaya we decided na maglakad-lakad na lang muna. And disclaimer pala, kasi baka hihingalin na naman ako nito kasi while walking, I'm talking with my camera. Kasi last time may nag-comment na, wala ba kayong sasakyan? Kasi hinihingal ka na ate. Bakit kayo naglalakad? Kaya, disclaimer, we have a car, kahit may dent siya, okay lang siya. Okay pa siyang drive-ban. One day, pag nakaipon tayo, Daddy, when we save, we'll get a nice car, a nicer car. I'm not saying that our car is not nice right now. It served me for a long time. Like, I've had that car for 8 years now, because bought that brand new 2012. Kaya maybe don't skip the ads para makabili kami ng sasakyan. Don't skip the ads para makabili kami ng bagong sasakyan. And you know guys, ang aking kamay ay nangangalay na ba? Kasi ang bigat-bigat nitong camera ko guys. Tapos itong isang kamay pa, oh. Tingnan niyo itong kamay isa. Murag hadlok ba, maanod sa baha. Kahit kami lang dito sa daan, nakahawak talaga. Yan siya guys, very sweet naman yan, ganyan guys, no? It's been a while na naglakad-lakad kami ni Mike dito guys, kasi diba we have been unwell for the last, was it 2 weeks, Bob? Yeah, the last 2 weeks. So nag-stop kaming maglakad-lakad and things the same. Wala namang nagbago dito. Ay, may nagbago pala guys. Tingnan nyo. Before, wala siya. Parang landscape lang nila. Sana walang kanilang bahay. May sabi ko last time ba na one day magkakabahay din kami. Ganyan, oh. Hindi ko naman talaga pinapangarap na malaki na bahay guys. Like, yung 2 stories, ganyan, no. Yung single story. Okay lang sa akin na single story lang siya, basta may enough na bedrooms ba. Ganito. Ayan. Naputol yung pag-vlog ko kanina habang naglalakad kami papuntang shops, guys. Kasi namatay ang ating battery. That's why I decided to actually get an extra battery for this camera. Kasi pag namamatay, kailangan ko siyang i-charge and stop yung vlogging ko. Kaya sabi ko, bibili ako ng extra. I will do that very soon. Actually, it's now currently 5 o'clock. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And I'm very, very excited kasi I have my leave tomorrow. So, I'm not working tomorrow. Thanks God. Oh my god. So I'll have a relaxing day tomorrow at home with Mike. And then now, pipick upin na natin si Paris kasi yung baby girl natin ay gusto na yun yung umuwi for sure. And pumunta lang ako dito sa kwarto kasi just putting my shoes on. Gotta get myself ready. And I'm not too sure kung anong gagawin namin tonight. Obviously, lockdown, so we can't go anywhere. Maybe mag-stop pala kami pag umuwi na kami mamaya. Mag-stop kami sa Coles kasi bibili kami ng something. And then, si Daddy Mike pala is nasa couch kasi alam niya naman, wala siyang work. So, he's just, you know, taking advantage and, you know, just relaxing. And nanonood siya ng mga, anong tawag dito, mga unsolved mysteries, yung mga ganyan ba. So, sabi niya, palagi niya akong kinukulit. Kasi sa sala ako nagwo-work, diba? And then, nakahiga lang siya sa couch, tapos palagi niya akong sinasabihan na, oh, you will love this one, kasi gustong-gusto ko yung mga unsolved, mga ganyan-ganyan na mga show. And then, sabi niya, you will love this one, come and watch. I said, like, you know, I'm working. So, ganyan yan talaga si Mike, guys. Like, seriously, if he is watching something, he wants me to watch it at the same time. So, parang gusto niyang, yun yung bonding namin ba, pag nanonood ng movie, kailangan kaming dalawa. Yeah, so ganyan yan siya. And I find it really, really sweet. Kasi sabi niya, mas nai-enjoy daw niya yung movie kapag kasama niya akong manood. Diba? Ang haba ng hair ng atin nyo, oh. Super sweet talaga yan si Mike, guys. And I think, nakuha niya sa ano niya, siguro sa, it runs in the family. Kasi, yung mama niya, yung mga grandparents niya, very, very sweet talaga sila. Just like last night, hindi ko talaga na pigilan yung luha ko ba. Kasi nag-post ako ng photos sa Facebook page ko. Tapos, shinare ng mama niya. Tapos yung naka-caption bang, sabi niya dito, my gorgeous family, daughter Jervy, and granddaughter Paris, love them all so much. So, nag-comment ako, sabi ko, we love you, mom, missing you. Sabi ko, kasi nga dahil lockdown, diba? So, it's been a while na hindi kami nagkita. And then, yung comment niya, guys, sabi niya, yung reply niya, Jervy, thank you for being the wonderful daughter, partner, and mother you are. Thank you for being the special person you are. Hugs. And wala dyan ko kapanagang, guys. Like, seriously, parang naiyak talaga ako ba. Tapos sabi ko pa kay Mike, sabi ko, have a look what mom said to me. And sabi ko, I'm very touched. Tapos umiyak talaga ako ng umiyak. Guys, sabi ni Mike, parang tinitis pa ako ni Mike. Sabi niya, babe, patingin nga ng luha mo, babe. Tapos pinakita ko talaga sa kanya. So, naisip talaga niya na I'm not joking. Ayan, naluluha na naman ako. Hindi, I'm very happy. Like, it makes me very happy kasi alam ko not everyone is lucky to have a loving in-laws. And yeah, I'm super lucky na yung mga in-laws ko, they're very kind, they're very nice, they're very loving. And I can see where Mike came from kasi ganun din si Mike. Like, nakikita niyo naman sa mga videos namin. Kahit hindi palaging kasama si Mike sa mga videos namin, I think nakikita niyo naman kung ano siya, yung trato niya sa amin ni Paris. He is very gentle and yeah, just very loving. Hindi ko talaga inakala na masasabi yun ng mama ni Mike. It just makes me feel extra special to know that Mike's family loves me and care for me. It is such a massive thing. Kasi alam ko may mga naririnig ako, no, yung ibang mga manugang hindi nila kasundo yung mga in-laws nila. And I'm very lucky na hindi ako makarelate sa ganyan kasi the relationship that I have with my in-laws is amazing and I'm very proud of it. Anyways, guys, it's getting late, so we're gonna make a move now. I will see you very soon. Bye! Alis na kami. Andiyan na si Manny Pacquiao. Hello, Manny Pacquiao. How are you?
Good. I got my daughter.
Hindi siya makahintay ba na pick upin ang kanyang daughter. I'll see you soon, guys. Dito na kami.
There it is.
Oh, that's right.
Mama.
Yeah, that's yours.
Is that your water bottle? Where's the taklob na?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
This one.
How are you, my love?
No, not this one.
This one. Which? What's this one? What's this one?
Black one.
A black one, is it?
Okay.
Grab your bag. Oh we go. Ito yung locker ni Paris guys. Oh, ayan yung picture niya. Ayan. We're going.
This is a best.
What's that?
This is Gruffalo.
Is that Gruffalo?
It was first in the beach.
Oh, yes. Where's Paris? That's Paris. Oh, that's Paris.
And the deepest.
Yeah, did you make that?
Good job.
Red.
It's a goldfish.
Goldfish. Say bye-bye, goldfish.
No, it's really good.
Say bye-bye, goldfish, because we're going home.
It's a butter.
We're going home. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Drink your water.
Drink your water.
Yay!
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. In the tummy. Are we going home now, Nak?
Paris water.
Are we going home now? Yes. What did you do at school today, honey? Huh?
Sarah and Hito.
What did you do? Did you play at the sandpit? Oh, sure, sandpit. Where's our car? What color is our car? Black. It's black. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. Nandito ng ating baby girl. Say hi sa anak, be. Hi sa ba? Say hi, friends.
Read the book.
Read the book. Say, how are you, friends? Look at the camera, anak. Ayan, tapos ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. And si Paris ay, what are you gonna do? I think she's going to watch Peppa Pig. Ayan. And pagpasensyahan nyo ng mga damit dyan, guys. Oh, yan yung dinray natin kahapon. And ang dami-dami nila. I started to fold them yesterday, guys, but hindi ko natapos. So there's more. Anyways, I've got no work tomorrow. So we have a lot of time to fold the clothes. That's all good. Now, I'm just gonna go cook dinner, and I think we're gonna cook adobo tonight. Nak, do you want adobo, Nak?
No.
Yes, please, Mama. Abubu. Kisah si Mama, babe? I love you. Ayan na yung bigas natin, guys. Oh, ito yung lalagyan namin ng bigas. Diba sabi ko, yun sa mga pamahiin na nasunod ko nung New Year's talaga. Nilagyan ko talaga ng maraming bigas to. Pero, alam nyo guys, nauubos pa rin. Oy! Nauubos pa rin. Pero kahit ganun, guys, naniniwala pa rin ako sa mga pamahiin na ganyan. Hindi pa rin nagbabago yung, yung patingin ko sa mga ganyan ba. Kasi, pinalaki kasi ako ng mama ko na parang, ang tawag dito, kinang matuutuhon ba? Kaya yun. Guys, while we're cooking, ayan, chatting to the family. Say hi, Lola, nak. Hi, Lola ba?
Hello everyone!
Tingnan niyo sila, guys. Guys, actually, my sister is nagbebenta siya ng mga ukay-ukay, guys. Mac, promote your business.
Hi! Vlog sa TV. Promote sa TV.
Promote your business, gani.
Hi guys! Naku Ari mo.
If you want guys, if you want ukay-ukay is, maraming ukay-ukay is available.
Mommy.
I'll put her details, guys, in the screen. To contact her if you want ukay-ukay. Grabe, endorse. Pila mong bayad na ako, Mac? Pila bayad ni mo, Mac, sa ako. Endorse na ako sa akong channel.
Naisuon lang po niyo.
Na. Ayaw, na. We're talking money here.
I don't have money.
Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. I'm brushing my teeth. Bulingit nga na bata, oh. Nagkamuritsing na pala sa yung mama, nagkaumlat. Careful. Be, put some on mama's toothbrush, be.
Okay.
Okay. Put more. Put it. Wala na. Mala naman anak.
Okay.
Wala may salod eh. Kapobre. Malamang. Here. Be, you want some? You want some?
Yes, please.
Yes, please, mama.
Yes, please, Mama.
There you go. There you go. Brush your teeth. Show them. This is the way I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Good girl. There's no more yellow worm now.
Clean.
Clean now, yeah. Clean it more.
More.
Look at your face in the mirror.
Boo-boo.
Boo boo. Wash it properly. Hello. That's right. Yep. Good job. We have a look, babe.
I can wash your head.
There's more, Mana. Good girl.
No.
Oh, no more. Come on now. Rinse na yun, rinse.
Wash your head.
Yeah, rinse na yun. Oh, no more. Good job. Well done, Anna. Already washed the face, guys. Oh,
Clean.
are you clean now?
Thank you.
Clean now? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head.
Guys.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
This one.
What is that?
This.
It's a nappy.
And it was off.
Yeah, we'll take the old one off.
My daughter is your mom.
So no?
On a jacket.
Yes. What is this na?
It's jacket.
It's jacket. Cute. Cute ka sa ilong. Oy, what's this one?
It's his body.
Huh?
It's a mama.
It's a bum bum. It's a nappy for the bum bum.
It's pants.
It's Paris's. How about this? What's this one?
A dress.
A dress?
No, it's dress.
It's
It's dress.
pants. Correct. What's this one again na?
Pants.
This one ba?
It's pants. Shirt. It's a shirt.
Huh?
It's a shirt.
It's a shirt. I thought you said before it's a jacket.
And a jacket.
Unsa man jud?
What's this?
Pasabtang imong inahan. What's that? Come on, take the nappy off na. So we can put the new one. Do you know how to take it off? Do you know how to take it off?
No.
Why not? Big girl naman ka good.
Not put on.
Yeah.
Really.
Take off the old one.
It's really.
It's wee wee.
Yeah, it's really.
That's right. That's why we have to take it off.
This one.
This one, muning bag-o. Ikaw ba? Bag.
Back.
Oh,
Back.
bag-o.
Back.
Bag-o.
Back you.
Bagyo. Ready, set, go! Careful na. Oh, careful. Is that your big girl bed?
No, it's my bed.
It's your bed. Yes, you have to sleep there.
This one.
No, this is mommy and daddy's bed. That's yours.
No.
Yes.
This one. Not this.
This one is mommy's and daddy's.
No, it's
That one is yours. That's a big girl bed.
no.
What no?
This
You have to sleep there now because that's your bed. Dito siya natutulog sa bed na to, guys. Oh. Minsan, doon ako natutulog sa sa bed niya. Tapos sila nang dali niya dito.
This one.
Yes, that's your bed. You have to sleep there now.
It's right that this has bed.
That's your bed.
This one is right bed.
Huh?
Oh, it's a hair clip.
What is that?
It's a hair clip.
A hair clip? Show mama the hair clip, B. Where did you put it? B, show mama.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's hair clip.
A hair clip.
It's Paris.
It's Paris' hair clip. Yes, that's right.
Far away.
Nak, show me the squirrel. Nak, where's the squirrel? Nak. Uy. Squirrel ba? Wala mo kuningon nga bulingon. Yun ko, squirrel. Ay,
Baby.
Baba Black Sheep na lang. Baba Black Sheep.
It's baby.
We have to put it on sa new nappy.
It's baby.
It's a wee wee. It's a wee wee. Now, where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? What's the color of the sheep?
Right.
It's white. Where is the cow? Yeah, what's the color of the cow?
Orange.
Orange. Where is the flamingo? Find the flamingo.
Yeah.
Have a look under the bear. Yeah, this way. What is that, Nak? What is that? What's this one?
Flamingo.
It's flamingo. What's the color of the flamingo?
Pink.
Pink.
Okay.
Where is the cloud? Show Mama the
On
cloud.
the bed. This is what? On the bed. It's a goat.
It's a cloud.
There.
There it is. What's the color of the cloud?
Right.
It is white. Good job. High five din, Mama Dayon. Whoa. High five din, Mama Dayon. Nak, how do you warm up your hands? Shush, rubbing. Again? How to warm up your hands? Ay, nailis sa tali. Come on.
Purple.
Come on, it's getting late na, oy. You have childcare tomorrow. Uy. Come on, Paris. Paris, Nicole. Shh. Alin na?
No.
Yes?
I will come back.
Yes?
Press come back. Play a back.
Yes?
Press play the bed. Ready, steady, go.
Hi again, guys. It is now getting late. So, i-ready na natin si Paris for bed. Ayan, papatulog na natin siya. Nanonood lang siya ng iPad niya quickly. But it is nearly 9 o'clock and papatulog na natin siya kasi bukas pag gising nito, pag late siyang natulog, magiging sukilala na naman to siya pagkagising niya. Kaya ipapatulog na natin siya. Anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you very much sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers. And of course, sa ating mga existing na subscribers, thank you very much kasi palagi niyong pinapanood yung mga videos ko. Actually, merong ibang mga subscribers natin na pinapanood nila yung mga old videos ko and minsan nahihiya ako kasi nga, diba, I mentioned na before sa aking mga vlogs na yung editing ko before and English pa rin ako before, so nahihiya ako sa mga videos ko. But sana nai-enjoy nyo pa rin and I really love all your lovely comments, kaya maraming salamat kasi nakakataba talaga ng puso and it motivates me talaga to upload more vlogs. So I'm just gonna do a quick shout out, guys, and we'll start with Flora Ferrer. Shout out to Emma Jane B. Talusig. Shout out to Gloria Bostos from General Santos City. Shout out to Evelyn Ramirez. Holger Simonson. And sabi niya, shout out daw kay Baby Simonson. Shout out, baby! Shout out to Cynthia Granadel from Zambales. Shout out to Glady Mandanhuyan. Marley Pelayo Vlogs. Shout out to Erica Peralta. Shout out to Nene Jane, Inday Chenchin Vlogs, Rowena Gomera, Viuli S, Mayet Iskame, Laarni TV, Noberta Nono, Aida Harin, and shout out to Catalina Mempin, Vanji Tirado, Rosario Sabalie, Carla Mi Arias, Rosemary Ramuar, Lexron Gem. Shout out to Lucky08, Ginia Dular, Fantasy Lily, Merla Adorable, Soulmate, Jam B, Our Life Australia Philippines. Shout out to Luli La, November Girl _74. Shout out to Mylene Franco, Ana Demate, Jay Cruz, Lina Bercasio, Rosalita Araez, Daya Magallanes. Shout out to Red Sabial. Hello, Day. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Debbie Ascuna, Philly Toledo from Clark, Pampanga, Philippines. Shout out to Sarang Hamnida, Lizelle Iga, Rose San Gabriel, Ana Rose Pachica, Dayen Villarin. Shout out to Milba Musni, Mac Yuhan Tumbiga, Jing De Asis, Evelyn Buena, Ophel Hernandez, Vida Feliz, Mary Rose, Fe Guarnes, Marika Remulta, Papa Tao, Lynn Ahmad and the family. Shout out Amay Vargas, Amor Barican, Lyra Joy Inahog, Jeneline Morate, Korea Cross Blended, and Marilu Corpus. And that brings us to the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Hi, Nak. Hi, Paris. Focus kayo siya, oy. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Say bye sa anak, be.
Bye.
Uy, kamaldita ba?